isa sa mga pwedeng pagkakitaan ngayon is coloring books. But you don't need to have physical copies na ibebenta mo sa kung anumang platform. You can actually create coloring book na ready to print. And then, yung mga bibili na lang, sila na lang yung magpiprint nung coloring book para kulayan ng kanilang mga junakis and all. So, you don't have to create a physical copy. You just have to create a PDF copy, a digital copy of that coloring book. Digital products. Let's talk about that, and I'm gonna teach you how to create ready-to-print coloring book using only Canva, your computer, and pagkakitaan mo, why not, diba? So, let's go. By the way, my name is Dalton Anthony. I'm a published author, radio DJ, and a two-time Author of the Year nominee. Hello! So, di yun na nga, isa sa mga pinagkakakitaan yun at pwede natin pagkakitaan talaga is tinatawag natin na digital products. So, ano yung mga digital products? E-books, ready-to-print coloring books, anything na PDF, cooking book, diba? Mga recipes, ganyan, or graphic designs, templates, Canva templates. You can actually sell those at pagkakitaan mo siya nang wala kang inventory. Diba? Ano lang, gumawa ka lang ng isang digital products, gumawa ka lang isang beses ng digital product, and you can actually sell it over and over again nang wala kang cost. Isang beses mo lang siya gagawin. So, dito sa video na to, I'm going to teach you how to create a coloring book using Canva para pwede mo siyang maibenta sa Rocket.ph. So, let's go. Okay, first you need to go to canva.com and then click mo tong create a design and custom size, or you can actually just, pili ka na lang dito or type mo dito A4 or letter. Let's go for letter. Let's go for here 8.5 by 11 inch. Let's go for that. Now, to create a coloring book, kailangan meron kang material dito. So, I'm actually using non-pro Canva dahil hindi ako nakapagbayad. So, using non-pro na Canva. Actually, ito show na din na this can actually be done kahit naka non-pro ka. Kahit free lang yung Canva mo, you can actually do this. So, to put element here, type ka dito ng coloring book. Coloring book. So, first decide kung anong theme ng gagawin mong coloring book. Halimbawa, ang theme mo is sea creatures. Let's go for sea creatures, I think. Fish, yan. Lalagyan mo ng coloring book, tas fish. Or kung ano mang kulay. Di ba? Para ang lumalabas sa mga elements mo ay mga ganito na kukulayin, ganyan. So, let's say this one. Let's pick this one para simple lang tayo. Yan, simple lang. Yan, this one. Pero, guys, mind you ha, you cannot actually sell this ng ito lang. You cannot do that. Kailangan you have other elements. So, you can add this, kunyari, this one. You can't, you can't sell stuff na basta lang pinili mo dito. You have to add something. You have to create your own. So, adding this, pwede na siya. Pero dagdag pa tayo ng ng konting pa-eklabo pa. Halimbawa to. Yan, dagdag tayo ng bula. Yan. Palitin lang natin. Yan. More bubbles. Yan. O isang page na siya, meron ka na agad isang page na pwedeng gamitin for your coloring book. So, if you wanna add, just add page and balikan mo yung fish. Or kung ano mang sea creatures yan. So, halimbawa, halimbawa ito, shark. Yan. Just add that. Ito pala ito, pangit ayoko. Bago isip ko eh. Ito na lang, dolphins. Dolphin pala, singular. O yan. Halimbawa yan. And then you also add, again, you can do yung ginawa natin kanina. You can add like bubbles. You can actually just reuse this na lang. Pare-pareho naman na itsura ng bubbles. Diba? Seaweed. Hindi ko alam kung tama spelling ko na magkadikit ba yun or what. Halimbawa yan. You can add this one here. I'm actually doing this as I go. So, yan. Oh, diba? Pwede na to. Kasi hindi na siya, ito lang. Pag itong dolphin lang ang ginamit mo, hindi siya pwede. Hindi mo siya pwedeng isell. So, So there, ganito yung what do you call this? Principle ng paggagawa ng coloring book. You can do this for how many pages na trip mo. And then sa front page, of course, maganda may front page tayo. So lagyan natin sa ibabaw. Some people can just do this magic media. When you click that magic media, you can just type in the prompt na gusto mong background lang. So, halimbawa, sea. Ano ito? Sea. Yeah, pwede ganyan. Blue sea. Under the sea. Under the sea, blue, and background, ganyan. Tingnan natin kung anong lalabas dito. Let's see kung anong ipapakita sa atin niyang kung ano ma-generate niya ng image. And then you can use that as background. Yan, halimbawa this. We can actually just select one. Halimbawa ito. And then background. Yan, gawin lang natin siyang background. So we have background, okay? And then syempre mag-a-add tayo ng elements again for that. Ano bang cute na ano? Mag-dolphin na lang tayo para chill. Yan, this. We can do this. Yan. We can add this one para lumutang siya. I think we can add shadow here. Add tayo ng shadow para lutang siya. Oh, diba? Lutang siya dun sa background. You can also add like para lang highlight yung ano in the code. Okay, tapos lilikod natin siya. Then babaan natin yung transparent. O diba mas lutang yung nasa ibabaw. And then you can just lagyan na lang ng title. Halimbawa, color me. Ganyan. Color me. Select ka ng font na naaayon dun sa ano mo. So I think ang mga pwede dito is mga comical na comic. Let's try comic. How about this one, comica? Yeah, it's actually medyo good. Okay. And to add flair, gawin nating curve. Pero yung pagka-curve niya sa kabilang side. Color me. Can do that. Yeah. Yun. Yan, can do that. Gawin nating white. White. Hindi, actually color me. Gawin nating makulay talaga, di ba? Why not? Gawin nating red. Yan. Add tayo ng mag-add tayo ng outline para kita din natin ang ay itsura niya. Color me. See? That's just a simple lang. Front page. So, pwede ka mag-decide ng sa'yo ng kung paano mo siya gagawin kasi alam ko namang creative ka. So, pwedeng yan. Color me and lagay ka dito ng name mo sa hindi siya masyadong kita, diba? So, palutangin natin siya. Pwedeng lift para kita na siya. Mas kita na siya compare sa kanina. So, ano lang siya. Hindi ko ito pinagplanuhan tong front page na to. So, ginawa ko lang siya habang ginagawa itong video. So, yan yung nakam-up natin. Pero, surely, makaka-create pa tayo ng mas maganda pa na front page dito. But this is the principle ng paggagawa ng coloring book. So, sa loob nung coloring book mo, this one and also this, diba? So, you can create 50 more pages, 100 more pages, how many pages ang kaya mong gawin. And then, after that, you save this sa PDF. So, pipindutin mo itong share, and then, download, and then, itong sa file type, you can select PDF standard and just simply click download. Ayan, so mada-download na siya dyan ng kusa. So there you have it. You have your own ready to print coloring book. So the next thing na nagagawin mo na is ilagay siya sa rocket.ph. So how do we do that? How will you put it, upload it sa rocket.ph so you can start selling? So I'm going to show you then real time kung paano gawin ito. So punta tayo sa rocket punta tayo sa rocket.ph. So yan, dito na tayo sa rocket.ph. Ang kailangan nyo lamang pindutin ay this one, kung nakapag-create ka na ng rocket.ph, pindutin mo to, itong profile mo, and then punta ka sa rocket dashboard. This is how you put products sa loob ng rocket.ph, sa rocket ship mo. You will click this, may rocket ship. Pumunta tayo dyan sa sa about mo, and then you will click this one, products. Pagka-click mo doon sa products, you add new product, this one. You click this, and then digital. Pagka-click mo ng digital, start from scratch. Ayan. Make sure na naka-click is digital downloads, and here you put a name to your product. So Color Me. For the sake of this video, I'm going to upload here yung ginawa kong coloring book before. So, the description, kayo na bahala maglagay ng description. Pwede natin lagay coloring book ito. Just for the sake of the video, okay? So, gandaan nyo yung description. Make sure the description ay merong mga keywords na andon para madali kayong ma-search, diba? Para sa SEO, sa search engine optimization. And then, you can click this para ito yung makikita pag kinlik nyo yung add image, ito yung makikita doon sa yung parang thumbnail nung inyong product. So in here, you can upload the pages nung ginawa mong coloring book. So yung mga yung mga nasa loob pwede mong i-upload diyan. Tapos you can also upload here the thumbnail. Pwedeng yan. Ito lalabas doon sa doon sa product. For this, i-click mo is upload a file. So, pag pinurchase nila ito, kusang magsisend sa kanila, kusang nila madadownload yung file mo. So, in here, i-upload mo yung PDF na coloring book na ginawa mo. So, in this case, ang ilalagay ko muna ay yung ginawa ko nung before, dati pa. This ready to print coloring book ko. Alright? So, itong ready to print Color Me Cute Animal Coloring Book for Kids. So, yun yung itatitle ko dito. Color Me Cute Animal Coloring Books. Cute Animal Coloring Book for Kids. Ayan. So, I already have my product. Lalagyan ko na lang siya ng price. So, ikaw na bahala kung magkano yung price mo. But again, you should consider na this product ay digital product na hindi naman nagko-cost. So, kahit babaan mo na lang. Pero I think minimum ng price here sa rocket ship, sa rocket.ph is 100. So, let's just price it at 100 and just be done with it. After that, you can just click save and publish, and there you go. You have your ready to print coloring book sa iyong rocket.ph, and then you can start selling na sa mga group pages, sa mga social media, and however you want to sell it. Direct selling, you can also do that, and i-direct mo lang sila dun sa link nitong product mo. So that's how you create a coloring book or ready to print coloring book na pwede mong ibenta as digital product sa mga dito sa rocket.ph, and you can start selling it through social media platforms, kahit anong social media platforms na komportable ka. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, share this video, and yeah, watch the next video. Yun lang.